Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How are you? I'm so bad. It bothers me that I can't make attractive videos. So sad. By the way, have I met you before? Did you come here more than twice? If so, thanks for coming back. I appreciate it. If you are new here, please smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I hope to see you in the next video. Please enjoy. Have a good time. Alright, then let's move on to the IELTS questions. Well, I cook once a week. To be honest, I want to cook every day because I have to prepare lunch by myself, but unfortunately, I don't have enough money to buy ingredients, so I can't help skipping it. Groceries on Tuesday are relatively cheap, therefore I cook on that day. Yes, I do. I like it. When I cook by myself, I can season food as I like. I basically like fatty food while the food my mother cooks is usually flavorless and tastes bland. So I like to eat meals I cooked. For this reason, I love cooking as long as I have plenty of money. I'm great at making okonomiyaki. In other words, that's sometimes called a Japanese-style pancake. I'm from Kansai, which is famous for the pancake, so I've frequently eaten it since I was born. When I showed okonomiyaki I made before, my classmate took it for one served at the restaurant. As this experience shows, my okonomiyaki is this high quality. I don't have any special experience of cooking. As I mentioned until now, I've cooked for myself, just it. Thanks for motivating me by watching to the end. Make sure to subscribe. See you next!